Okay, so first we're gonna talk about systolic murmur. Okay, so we have mitral valve, tricuspid valve, then aortics and pulmonary valve. Okay, so for the when there is systole, so you can see that mitral and tricuspid should close and pulmonary and aortic should open. Okay, so as we can see, remember the concept just now. So the thing that should close is opening and the thing should open is closing, which can cause murmur. Okay, so major regurg and tricuspid regurg can cause murmur because it open when it should close, and pulmonary stenosis and aortic stenosis can cause murmur because it's closed or narrowing when it should open.